With our new Neato D7, Kat and I get along much better because we don't have to worry about who's going to get in trouble.
I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that.
With Neato D7, they use their voice to schedule cleanings. So they come back to a freshly vacuumed home, and it's nothing but love, man.
It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
And if there's an area that's off limits, it's easy to teach the D7 where not to go.
Neato uses lasers to map and navigate multiple rooms, then tells you exactly where it's cleaned.
So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts we won't ever be able to shake.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Low battery, heading home. Charging. Finish charging, resume cleaning.